Welcome to an exciting journey of transforming your PS5 into a complete entertainment hub, unlocking IPTV capabilities easily. So you love gaming on your PS5, but how about watching your favorite shows and live channels on it as well? Stay tuned as we explore how you can set up IPTV on your PS5, making all of it incredibly easy for you. First, let's talk about why IPTV on your PS5 might just be the best upgrade you can give to your lifestyle. IPTV brings a vast universe of channels right under your fingertips, merging gaming and streaming smoothly on your console. Here's how you can do it. Start by selecting a reliable IPTV provider. We recommend 2tv.store for exceptional service. Next, you'll need to set up an IPTV app on your PS5, such as Plex or Kodi, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Now, integrate your IPTV subscription and enjoy seamless streaming, offering you endless entertainment possibilities at your couch. Still not convinced? Let's demonstrate the viewing quality and channel selection you get with a trusted provider like 2tv.store. With this easy setup, your PS5 is no longer just a gaming console. It's your gateway to incredible media experience. Embrace the seamless fusion of gaming and streaming, subscribe for more tech innovations, and hit the link for 2tv.store now.